I was wondering if anyone had any idea what this is. It seems to be some sort of fungus. I've never seen it before. And it's in with my coriander and lemon thyme. It hasn't spread to the garden, so that's okay, but it seems to be in that pot. And some of it's in this pot. It only seems to be the pots with my basil. It's looking a bit sad, and I think it's even starting to go into my Vietnamese mint. It looks like it explodes. I'm not even sure what it is. I don't know if it's harmful or beneficial.